welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression. Today we have 3 words that we're going to compare, and I hope I do a good job explaining. By the way, right now we have a big sale on DDM and perf lessons, okay? So if you'd like to join DDM Live or DDM Open, if you'd like to join Perf Live or Perf Open, we do have a special sale. You can send us an email, ddm@letsmasterenglish or perf@letsmasterenglish. And you can ask us about the sale. And we have a page on our website that also has the sale. And I'll put that address right here. I don't even know what the address is, but go here and you can see the sale too. Yeah, my webmaster's doing it for me. Okay. Okay, great. Now today we have 3 words. They are soggy, soggy, squishy, squishy, slimy, slimy. And these words are very similar, but they're different. If something is soggy, soggy, and some people say soggy, but where I come from we say soggy with an AW. Soggy, soggy, both are fine. Soggy, soggy. If something is soggy, it's heavy with water. It's heavy with water, okay? So for example, outside, it's the springtime where I live, and the snow is melting. So when you walk on the ground, you can feel that the ground has a lot of water in it, okay? The ground is soggy, all right? If it's raining outside, your shoes or your pants can get soggy. Yeah, I hate having a soggy jacket or soggy pants or soggy shoes. I do not like that. So something that is heavy with water, it has a lot of water, is soggy, okay? Now, squishy. Squishy is when you have something that is soggy and you step on it. That's squishy. You can also think of a sponge could be squishy, okay? You can take a sponge and you can squeeze it, and if there's water, it's squishy. This is the idea of squishy, okay? So the idea of squishy is squeezing something or stepping on something and water is coming out or water is moving around a lot, okay? Does it feel good? Sometimes, but I hate shoes that are squishy. Oh, I hate that. My shoes, if they're squishy, I don't like that. And then there's slimy. Now, slimy is different. Soggy and squishy, they're pretty close, but slimy is actually different. Slimy is wet, but slippery. Very slippery. So you can think of a sponge. When you wash dishes, can you think of an old sponge that's kind of dirty? And it's like really slimy. It's like, it's pretty gross. Okay, slimy is gross. You can think about a worm or a snail. When it walks, it has that slimy behind it. Slimy. That's the idea of slimy. Okay? Yeah, a little bit confusing, I know, but they're good words. Check out the dialogue. More rain. My shoes are so soggy.
Mine too. They're squishy.
Yeah, it's slimy. Slimy? Gross. Wash your shoes. Yeah, that's right. Shoes can be soggy. When you walk in them, they can be squishy. But if they're slimy, that means they're really dirty. It sounds really gross. It does. That's today's expression. Those 3 words. And again, go to Google the word, and see how other people are using these words. They're good words, but they're tough. These are words that children learn from a very early age, and they learn by seeing and by touching and experiencing, okay? So when we're older, it gets a little bit more difficult to learn words because we want to use our brain to memorize it. Children, they learn it as kids, visually, viscerally, touching and smelling and seeing. So these words are really simple, but for us older people, they can be confusing. I understand. And that's why I have English lessons like DDM. DDM and Perf, we introduce new words all the time that are so useful, so practical, and we want you to join. So join. Here's that website. I don't know what the website name is. Maybe it's, I don't know. Yeah. So go there and click on the amazing sale and join us. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. More rain. My shoes are so soggy.
Mine too. They're squishy.
Yeah, it's slimy. Slimy? Gross. Wash your shoes. More rain. My shoes are so soggy.
Mine too. They're squishy.
Yeah, it's slimy. Slimy? Gross. Wash your shoes. More rain. My shoes are so soggy.
Mine too. They're squishy.
Yeah, it's slimy. Slimy? Gross. Wash your shoes.